In this video, let's learn how to crochet the slip stitch. To do a slip stitch, put your hook into the next hole. It should look like you have 3 strands of yarn on your hook. Now you're gonna yarn over by bringing your hook down below and behind the working yarn. And then pull that yarn through everything on the hook. So pull it through the hole your hook just went through as well as the loop that's on your hook. So you should have 1 loop left on the hook. That is a slip stitch. And now, let's repeat a slip stitch again. Now the tip of the hook should be facing you, and the hook should be in front of the working yarn. Firstly, put your hook into the next hole. Yarn over by bringing your hook down below and behind the working yarn. And then pull that yarn through everything on the hook. Great! Slip stitch finished.